I've purchased a MacBook and I have a problem. I want to use it with my PC on the same monitors and the same inputs while avoiding this problem. At first glance, this seems easier than it really is. We'll take a look at MST, Thunderbolt 5 and DisplayPort. First thing I tried, a cheap dual HDMI USB hub. Plug it into the Mac, 2 monitors out. Should just work, right? Instead, we get a mirrored image and macOS only shows 1 monitor. So let's take a look at what's actually happening here. The simple USB dongle uses DisplayPort Multi-Stream Transport, or MST. It's a feature built into the DisplayPort standard that lets one physical port carry multiple independent video streams at the same time. This is well supported on Windows, but not at all on macOS. Now we're taking a look at Thunderbolt. Thunderbolt isn't a video standard, it's a general purpose high bandwidth tunnel. It can carry PCIe data, USB data and multiple complete independent DisplayPort streams, all riding side by side down the same physical cable, never merged or split. This solves our problem. Why not just buy a Thunderbolt KVM switch? In theory, it's the cleanest way to share one monitor, keyboard, mouse and other peripherals between 2 computers. But proper Thunderbolt models are ridiculously expensive. And for this setup, they still come with compromises that make them far from the best solution. It tries to route everything through one box. It sounds convenient, but it can limit resolution, refresh rate, USB bandwidth, charging power and future upgrades. So instead of finding one expensive device that does absolutely everything, I asked a simpler question. What actually needs to be switched? And what is better connected separately? I decided to try a more modular approach. I picked up a proper Thunderbolt dock for the Mac, along with a simple Ugreen USB switch for the shared peripherals. On their own, neither device solves the complete problem, but they gave me the building blocks. Here's how the complete setup works. The Mac connects to the Thunderbolt dock with a single cable, which handles charging and sends the display signals to both monitors. The PC connects directly to the other inputs on those same monitors. Meanwhile, the keyboard, mouse and other shared peripherals run through the Ugreen USB switch, connected to both computers. To change systems, I quickly switch the monitor inputs and press one button for the USB devices. As you can see, both monitors are recognized by macOS without any software and I can configure them properly. It's not quite a one-click KVM, but it's significantly cheaper, more flexible and avoids compromising on display quality or Thunderbolt functionality.